So the next topic is how to configure container registries. The default configuration file for container registries is the /etc/container/registries.conf. So in this file, you are supposed to define the registry location from where you would be able to download the container images. So without wasting time, let me quickly log into my RHEL line system and will show you this file. So this is the file. Let me edit this file. And here you can see it has given the registry locations from where this system can download the container images. That is registry.access.redhat.com, registry.redhat.io and docker.io. So this system is already authenticated to the Red Hat side. So if you try to download the Docker image, it is going to download from these three locations. Suppose if you have tried to download a Docker image and that image is not available on the first registry, then it will try to the second one. If it is not available on the second one, then it will be try from the third registry. So this is one thing that you have to keep in mind. So it is just like the registry search, but Red Hat recommends to use a non-privileged user to manage the containers. So this file is owned by root. Your Red Hat is saying that you are not supposed to edit this file. It is not recommending you. If you want to manage the container from this machine, better to create a user, a non-privileged user which is having the limited access to the system. So let me show you practically. So I do have one user, that is S Verma. It's a normal user. So let me first switch to this user. I'm in this location. And let me go inside, and further you have to create one more directory, that is containers. Let me go inside, and in this location you will be creating a file that is registries.conf. So this file you have to create in this location. And here you can use different sections like registries.search. Here you will provide the list of registries to look for containers. And if you have any registries which is insecure, then you can use like this way. And after that you just put the registry location. So I hope you got some idea how we can configure the container registries. So that's all. We'll see you in the next lecture.